The Italian dish lasagna has many versions within Italy and around the world. But the classic lasagna is made with meat sauce, pasta and tons of cheese. Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Passion to Cook. Myself Shruti Shammi. Today I'm here with chicken lasagna. Before assembling the layers, I need to get ready with the white sauce and meat sauce. So I'm going to start with the white sauce. Let's begin by melting 3 tablespoons of butter. Next, add the flour. I've taken 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Gradually pour in 1.5 cups of milk. Stir and cook continuously until the milk thickens. Allow to simmer for 8 to 10 minutes and finally season it with salt, oregano and pepper powder. Now the white sauce is ready. Remove from flame and keep aside. Next, we'll move to the meat sauce. Melt some butter. Add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes. Then add in chopped onions. Once the onions turn soft, add minced chicken. I have taken 500 grams of chicken for this dish. When the chicken is half cooked, add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Also goes in half cup of chopped bell pepper. Add salt to taste. And for the seasoning, 1 teaspoon of crushed chili, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, almost 2 tablespoons of marinara sauce, two tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Pour half cup of water. Allow to simmer for few minutes and finally finish off with some oregano. Now the sauces are ready. Next we'll move to the assembling. For that I have greased a baking tray. Spread the first layer of white sauce at the bottom. If your pasta needs to be pre-cooked, a simple way of getting them ready is to soak them in hot water for 30 minutes before layering. My pasta doesn't have to be pre-cooked, hence I'm layering it as such. Above the pasta, I'm spreading the next layer of meat sauce. Spread mozzarella cheese above the meat sauce. Now repeat the same to form 2 or 3 layers or even more. Now we are done with the layering. For baking, I'm using a halogen oven. I'm going to bake this for 15 minutes covered with foil and another 10 minutes uncovered. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes of baking, I'm going to remove the foil and cook it again for another 10 minutes uncovered. Almost 25 minutes and the bubbling lasagna is ready. It's perfectly cooked and looks golden on top. Before serving, sprinkle some mixed herbs and coriander leaves. I'm going to pull out a piece to show you how beautiful the lasagna has turned out. So I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching.